All right, I'll show you some of the stuff I run across. I think I said before, majority of my work is things that have been damaged or need to be replaced. However, I would say a good 40% of it is laziness or just not knowing what they're doing. So here's a prime example. And then check this bad boy out. It actually surpasses the roof line. So what I'm going to do, and only because I like these people, and really because I'm a professional, I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut this across here below the drip edge, and then I'm going to run my peel and seal underneath this drip edge to seal this, to make water shed off the roof, off of this metal, and down onto here where it needs to go.
Now that the peel and seal has been installed, you can see that the water will roll off the roof, down the drip edge, onto my peel and seal, and then onto the flashing, which is where it's supposed to go. Typically, I would have installed a matching flashing piece of metal so it wasn't white. However, this was a freebie and the customer didn't mind having it installed. She just really wanted the water to stop coming into her fascia and soffit area.